Welcome back all of my viewers and all of my subscribers. The trendy dancer, you know the style. So this on the behalf of the Jamaica latest news, isn't it? So police was ambushed in West Kingston like last night, isn't it? So me I make a senior officer member explain first, and then we proceed in the video, isn't it? Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, isn't it?
Closer to 10 o'clock when they went to a location where they saw a group of persons gathered. They say approximately 200 persons. I think it was in relation, some 9 nights for someone that had died in the community. So the team, it wasn't a big team because it was a routine going around, the enforcement team. So they asked the persons to disperse. And they did not meet any resistance. Persons dispersed, and we understand the police officers stayed there a little bit just to ensure that they didn't regroup. It was sometime around there now that the team came under heavy gunfire from men firing high-powered weapons in the Lizard Town area. The police officers, as I mentioned, it was a small team of officers then and there, and they were pinned down and they were under sustained gunfire for close to 10 minutes. They had to call in reinforcement from different parts. When I spoke with the commanding officers, approximately 6 different divisions had to respond to them, to rescue them. We also understand that the military were called in and they were also fired on by gunmen with high-powered weapons.
As you can see, people, she just explained, and as you can see, it wasn't much police did it, as you call them, we end up split up, as you end up disperse and thing, as so. At first, everything did go smooth, as so she not really explain what happened, make the man them end up fire the gunshot still, as so end up affair retaliate like that. But anyways, we have some clip with one bugger sitting here, so I'm gonna share that clip there with you, I think in a Lizard Town, like she says, and yeah man, people, we all know West Kingston is a dangerous place to chew, yeah. Yeah man, a Kingston I come from, but guess what? I know about them place there, so this is what happened last night, different.
Go more. I said to go on.
So this is not a funny video, people, I just, the people them are West Kingston, behavior me I show you, Which part you know people do them thing, the people? Look on it, dog, yo. But even this is not a funny video, people. But remember, them people are just dangerous over them side, is it? And I like same face night, and him a do it brawl, the next one I tell him go up more in the car. What kind of style them thing they will show you where them are promote, You know say my dog go tell no lie. You see them place there, shot for your half thing still in a yo. But if you want to go in that, But may I share a next video with you with the happenings that take place this morning. Pray. And may I tell you say them Monday, I don't know who them are run off of. But here say police differently, but that I just for show you brawling daylight. Them people they but right now people we just come for share what go on within it, I make you know them place they're dangerous, man, I tell you. And even the police them know, Yeah, cause we all human at the end of the day, So at the end of the video, please do like, subscribe and share if you're new. Up tops.